Guys, welcome. I'm doing an unboxing today, a real quick unboxing, and I'll show you why. This here is a watch I've had for a long time. Awesome watch it's been, Casio Protrack. However, as you can see, you've probably seen from my last videos, my band's knackered, the screen doesn't work properly, she's all faded, and it's looking pretty daggone old now. But it has been an awesome watch. So if you can see the screen there, you can't tell the time really, you can't tell the date. The sound doesn't work anymore, and I think it's basically past its use by date. So I figure I need another watch, so I went and got one. And here it is, you guessed it. Being a bit of an Android Samsung fan, I figured I'll buy myself a Galaxy watch, which I'm about to open up. This is not the LTE version. There are two types you can get. This is the 46mm, so it's the larger one. 22mm strap, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, all that hoo-ha. All the bells and whistles, comes in silver. I opted not for the LTE version, which allows you to make phone calls, receive messages and everything away from your mobile device or away from your phone. Costs an extra $5 a month. Only works with Telstra in Australia, and I figure, well, I've always got my phone on me, so I don't need that. Anyway, let's see what's in the box. Now I have opened this up to make sure the watch is in there. So there it is. Not too sure what that thing is up there. Oh, it's a little rubber thingy-majigamy so that it holds the watch in nicely. That's quite a good touch. Pretty cool. Okay, this is exactly how the watch comes. Comparing it with the Protrack, it's about the same size actually. Obviously a lot better though. Rotating bezel. Click, click, click. Quite nice. It's got a screen protector on it. As I said, I have actually turned this on before, so the screen's a bit dirty. You can buy protectors for these, but apparently it's Gorilla Glass that's on there. It does have a plastic film, very thin, over the entire watch, which I haven't peeled off yet. I'll go ahead and turn it on. While it's turning on, we'll see what's in the box here, shall we? Good idea. So I haven't looked in here, so I've got no idea what's in here. Looks like you get... okay. Another band. Oh, this looks like the charger. This will come in handy. Wireless charger. Not too sure what's going on with that, but again, nice touch with the plastic film over everything. Lovely. And in here is a Galaxy Watch Quick Start Guide, which I haven't even looked at. Probably won't either. So I get half a band. Interesting. Hopefully there's some cables and stuff in here to finish it off. There's one more package here. I haven't looked in here yet, so okay. The charger. Awesome. Okay. Right, normal micro USB, nothing flash or fancy about it. This is pumping out 700 milliamps or 5 volts. So recommended you charge your watch up fully when you purchase it. Charge it up fully when you purchase it. First thing to do, best thing to do. I think that's all. That's all we get. Okay. So obviously you replace the one side of the band only. One must be short, one must be long, I would say. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so yeah, one's short, one's long. I'll keep the long one on. Bottom right button, turn it on, and she fires up. I'll have the stopwatch going to see how long it takes to boot up. And there we go. Stop the clock. Plastic off of here. Okay. So you're presented with the first default watch face for this. Let's go in here. Right, still booting up, still going through its gear. So yeah, the watch faces that are on here, there's half a dozen here, but if you look in the Play Store, there are literally thousands and thousands of watch faces you can get. So going through all the menus, you can do it by turning the bezel, or you can push the bottom right button and just scroll through them. All you guys have seen this from all the reviews anyway. You can add loads of widgets, massively customizable. I'm not going to go into all that because it'll take too long and you'll be bored and you'll just go on to the next video that's popped up on the screen. But first impressions of this watch, really good. Good quality, nice finish, nice band on it, really good screen. You can have it bright. Phone calls, it receives phone calls and you can make phone calls quite well from the phone. So let's put it on the wrist and see what's going on here. Yeah, all sorts of notifications it'll receive, messages, the whole lot. If you don't like the band, you can get different bands for it. Slightly different to what I had before. Yeah, which is better? Well, I'll be going the connect to Wi-Fi. Oh, okay, very good. So it's asking to pair with my phone. That's pretty cool. Samsung Pay on it. As I said, I haven't customised it at all yet, so it's pretty well bog standard. It's got a nice little, see behind the screen there as you move the phone, actually the reflection of, you can see it probably better from this timepiece here, you can actually see the reflection of the screen actually changes as if it's made of steel and it's reflecting the light, so that's pretty cool. You can also get the phone to tick if you want, which I'm not going to do, it's a bit crazy. Yeah, here it is, Samsung Galaxy Watch, 46mm. If you want to know more about it or anything that you need to do with it, let me know or find out. Otherwise, this is just a quick check it out, look what I got. You'll see it from my videos. I'm going to be wearing this now on. It's pretty cool. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next flick. Bye for now. Wow, look at that. The phone goes on its side when it's charging, so you can see it. How cool is that? That's cool. 26%.